Hey all, welcome back. Today we will see how to run Apify Actor from n8n. Apify Actors are ready-made scraping tools on Apify. So here I have simple chat trigger, and first thing we need to do is we need to pick an Actor and Dataset node. Now you need to connect. Let's create a connection. You have to grab your API key. Now where you can get that is if you go over here to your settings, then you go to API integrations. So this is the API token created on sign up. Just copy that in and go back over here on n8n, paste, and then save it. Super easy to do. Let's pick any actor from Apify store, say LinkedIn profile scraper actor. We will connect the actor by actor's ID. Now we need to get the ID from URL here. Copy and paste is over here on n8n. Now we need input to be sent to this actor. Let's get sample input provided by this actor. Copy and paste to n8n over here. Now if we execute it, it runs the actor and get the result. Super simple. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.